let's look at a real-life example to understand how the query, key, and value are calculated in a transformer model. Suppose our input phrase is write a poem. The first step for the transformer is to convert each word into numerical form using word embedding. This process transforms words into numbers that a neural network can understand. Next, positional encoding is applied. This step ensures the model knows the order of the words, because meaning often depends on word position. After combining word embeddings with positional information, each word is represented by an encoded numerical vector. For simplicity, let's assume each word here is represented by 2 numbers. Although in an actual transformer model, a single word might be represented by hundreds of values, such as a 512-dimensional vector. For instance, the word write might be represented by values like 1.16 and 0.23. Similarly, 8 and poem each have their own encoded values. These numerical representations form a matrix that captures both the meaning of each word and its position in the sentence. From these encoded vectors, the model generates the query, key, and value matrices, which are essential for computing attention. At this point, we've completed the first 2 stages of the transformer: word embedding and positional encoding. The next step is to calculate the attention scores using these encoded values to create Q, K, and V, which we'll explore in the following lecture.